In this video, we will show you how to install Apple CarPlay in Range Rover Sport. First, verify your vehicle's infotainment system version and compatibility with Apple CarPlay. Purchase a compatible Apple CarPlay retrofit kit designed for your Range Rover Sport model. Then, use appropriate tools to carefully remove the dashboard trim and access the infotainment unit. Disconnect the existing cables and connect the new wiring harness from the retrofit kit. Now, install the CarPlay interface module securely within the dashboard area. Next, connect the provided USB cable to a convenient location for iPhone integrations. Reassemble the dashboard trim. Ensure all components are properly secured. After that, connect your iPhone via the new USB port to initiate Apple CarPlay setup. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the CarPlay configuration and enjoy enhanced connectivity. So that's how to install Apple CarPlay in Range Rover Sport. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.